welcome to my channel. It's my channel. Like and subscribe. Also share my channel for new upcoming videos notification. This is Aroma humidifier pot. You can have a look from front. This is back, and I can show you, like, there is a spot like this, for connecting this wire. Okay, so what next is, I will gonna show you like how to add the water, which is 150 ml. All the way up to this line. It's shown here. Okay. Now the wire will be connected. And this lid is off. Okay, now I will show you one more important thing. Like I will first add the essential oil up till 3 drops. Okay. Now this lid will be closed, and what next is, you can see these buttons. It can manually be done. If you press this on and select the hour, 6, 8 and 1 hour. Okay, and now there's a remote. You can have a look, which can be controlled remotely. So this is the on and off button. Now the on button will be pressed and it is on, and you can see lights are gonna be changed here. See, now it's blue, it's purple now. Okay, and it's evaporating. And I will show one more important thing, like that's the essential oil. So you can I can leave my description in the bottom and leave the link there, so you can get this from there. Hope you enjoy the video and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.